In this video, we're going to go over how to construct a perpendicular line, a 90-degree, or a right angle line from a point that is off of the line. So over here, you're going to see in my example, I have line M. I can tell with the lowercase letter here, and my point P is just located floating over here in air, and it's not on my line. So I want to create a perpendicular line, a reminder that this means it's a right angle. It's going to form a right angle with this line or form a 90-degree angle. Both are the same thing. You need your compass as well as a straight edge or a ruler for this example. Step one, I'm going to go ahead and grab my compass. I'm going to place it on point P. And similar to when we construct perpendicular lines from a point that is on the line, I'm going to need to make an arc from point P that hits in two places on this line. What you notice right now, if I hold my compass at this width, this line is going to go, this arc is going to go like off of my page. It won't even hit over here on this side, if you kind of can see like my needle being there. So I have two options. I can either extend my line, make it a little longer, or I'm going to use my compass width, and I'm just going to go ahead and make it a little bit smaller so that I can, and I'm going to just like check it a little bit before I do this line. Yeah, it looks like it'll cross in two places, and that's all that I really want. I may make it just a tiny bit bigger. And in order to help myself, I'm just kind of flipping my paper over right now. I'm going to hold my needle, place my needle right here on point P. This is step one. And now I'm just going to go ahead and make one arc here that crosses my line in two places. That's all that I'm going to do. And now I'm going to just place my compass down. To make this easier for my next step, I'm going to mark the two intersection points where my arc intersects with that original line. So remember, that's wherever it crosses. I'm marking that with 2 points right now. Step three is to take my compass needle. I'm going to place it at one of the intersection points, and I'm actually just going to make this compass width a little bit wider. And now I'm going to go ahead and make an arc that kind of goes above point P without moving my compass width. So reminder, I only am holding the needle side. I'm not changing the pencil width at all. I'm going to go ahead and put the needle here at the other point of intersection. And now I'm going to make another arc here that intersects the one that I just drew. So now you're going to see I have 1, 2, 3 construction marks. That's all that you need right now. And I'm going to mark this point of intersection of these two arcs with another point. And then these 2 points are what I'm going to use to draw my perpendicular line. So go ahead and get your straight edge, your ruler. I'm going to now line up these 2 points, and this is kind of why marking points makes this a little bit easier for me. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw a line straight through. Let's go ahead and label this line P. Oh, actually, I probably should have done something else because I have point P here as well. But now this line I know is perpendicular. And in order to show that, I'm going to use this right angle symbol that indicates that it's forming a 90-degree angle. And then now I can write in my statement that describes the relationship between these two lines. So I have line P and line M. Those are both indicated by lowercase letters. So line P and line M. And I'm going to show that they are perpendicular by using this symbol that looks like an upside down T. And when you read this out, you read it as line P is perpendicular to line M. So I'm just going to make a little note here that this symbol means perpendicular. And now you have 2 lines that form a 90-degree angle.